In this video, I will show you how to order iPhone on Xianyu Chinese shopping app or iDoFish Chinese shopping app without any stress. Let me show you how. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we place order for this particular iPhone 11 from Xianyu supplier. So here we go. This is the person that reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here. I'm going to open up my WhatsApp. So just like what you see right here, hello, and this is when this person contacted me right here. Morning, good evening, and they said they need procurement, and here is my procurement, terms of service right here. If you also want me to procure link on Pindodo 1688 Tauba, Shenyun, Alibaba, AliExpress, JD.com, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, you can as well reach out to me via the number in the description of this video. And this is the product link from Xianyu right here, and I'm going to go ahead and show you all our charts right here. You can see their shipping address, and these are all our conversation right here, and this is the response from the store on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. And this is the product right here and exactly what they want from Xianyu. And the cost of this phone here is about 999, is about 1,000 yuan for this particular phone right here. So let's go ahead and see how we can place order for this phone on Xianyu. So I'm going to simply come to the top right here and then go ahead and click on the product link right here. So just like what you see right here, so this is the product link that was sent to me by this person. So I'm going to simply click on the product link just like so. So this is the product link right here. You can see the product description. Now let's see how we can simply place order for this phone. You can see it is iPhone 11, 128 gig and 4 gig RAM. Scroll down and check out some of the product picture right here. And for us to place order for this phone, we want to make sure we click on here to proceed to the chart. So here we go. You can see my chart with this particular seller right here. These are my conversation. We have asked of everything about the phone, including the phone video. You can see the product video right here. And then these are all my charts with them. For us to place order, we want to make sure we click on here to proceed. So right here, we need 95% of 128 gig, and it's going to cost about 99.9 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. So here we go. We have already added our stress and everything. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed with the payment. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want to procure link on 1688, Tauba, JD.com, Xianyu, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's continue. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then enter payment password to complete the payment. Just like so. Payment done successful right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment. Just like so. Then we want to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then click on here to close this pump up. Then right here, you're going to see a proof of payment notification in my chart with the seller right here. Just like so. For us to see the phone we just placed order for in our Xianyu, you can see a message from the seller right here. Just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to go back. Then click on here to go back. Then I have to make sure I click on the profile icon right here. Just like so. For me to see the phone we just paid for, we want to make sure we click on here. So here we go. We have it right here. It's that simple. Lastly, I'm going to go ahead and exit from my Xianyu right here come back to my WhatsApp and send the proof of payment to the owner of the phone in my WhatsApp right here. So I'm going to click on attach, then select the proof of payment and say payment done and send. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source, ship products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, Taobao, Pinduoduo, Alibaba or AliExpress or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. If you also want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, you can reach out to me with the same number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.